the real amount that she's supposed to be making.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Constant Contact.
She said, I see it from my research,
drag and drop editing,
and at the point she said there's a few more that's not getting paid the correct amount. Well,
from the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation, supporting creative people.
She said, so Osara's gonna get a raise too because
to building more just,
we do the same job and we get the same pay. The white girl's getting the highest pay.
And from the John S. and James
make sure the white people get paid right, but not the black.
Advanced journalistic excellence in the digital age.
That's so dumb. That's why I told her, I said, just wait, don't
from NPR News.
just do what you're doing. Like when you talk to them, still go ahead and talk to the EOC if you just tell them what they told you.
And they doing it, might even say you get more money.
They probably say, yeah, because what about her emotional distress?
Because she's not over that. You know, I still don't feel right.
And I was reading that the lady said,
in other words, they put a Band-Aid on a big old cut.
Yeah, now it's like, yeah, she don't feel like she good enough. She said that's how she felt when she went home every day. She didn't want to do the job because she felt like she wasn't fair, and it's not. That hurts for you to let T.I. one of his children do. Yeah, man, he would have went up there and talked to him his own self. Other than his son, something happened with his son like that. Instead the white man came straight to him, and he didn't do nothing. Talking about he came to him because he got them dreadlocks and whatever. T.I. was like, what? So he wanted to talk. He called and he said, I want to have a meeting with your manager or whatever. So he went up there and talked.
What about the state of the
then he brought it to the, you know, people like him could bring it to the news
and talking about something else next week.
Put it out there. But like people like us, you know, we don't have But T.I. said, or we had like Jay-Z or somebody, you know, they'll be like,
candidly, there's not a lot there. Most of that information has been already out in the public. And so I'm skeptical that it'll have a long impact. I think the worst impact it's going to have is just driving this partisan.
My daughter got a degree just like the white girl got a degree. Why is she getting paid less?
Relationship
There's no reason.
Between the president,
the color of the skin. That's what you said. And there's no other reason but the